Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Happiness and Lifestyle and I'm Hema, and I'm talking to you after a long time. I am sorry about that. So today I'm just going to do a quick haul, a shop Miss A haul, and I have done this before. I don't know if I've done one or two hauls about this. So this is a store that we have here. You can also buy these like online. There's a website, I think it's called shopmissa.com, like Miss A. So this is the cover. So the website is like shopmissahaul.com. So you can buy there too, and everything is $1. So here where I live, I have a store in the mall here nearby. So that's where I got few more stuff, so I wanted to just share with you guys that what I bought. And they're not like very good quality for $1, but yeah, they may not last as long. Like I have some jewelry like from Express and all that I have for years, and till today nothing has happened to the jewelry, like it's not tarnished or anything like that. So these jewelry, though, they kind of tarnish very fast. Like I had showed you guys a chain, like a chain with like some pendant, and I see that it's kind of already tarnished. Like the pendant looks fine, but the chain has already tarnished. So it's not like, like very good quality jewelry. But there are some small things that I like to buy. I don't like mind because I don't like use these kind of jewelry every day anyway, so it's fine. So before I start showing these, let me show what I'm wearing is also from that. So this set here with the ring here, and then even this I think showed this in my last haul, where I had showed a chain where I could not like put the pendant in it or something. So what I've done I've put it where you actually have the clasp to open and close. So that's where I put this small bead. This is like from a different necklace actually. I think I took that small pearl bead and I put it here. So just to give this a necklace look. And then this ring also is from Shop Missa, and this came like that for $1, like in a set like this. This kind of like this rose gold color. And it's really pretty actually. How do I show it? I'm trying to think. Okay, maybe it will like focus really good over this. So it was like a set like that. So that is what I'm wearing here. And then yeah, that's it. So these were some of that. So I thought like since I'm doing the that store haul, I'm just going to wear the same stuff. Now let me get on with the stuff that I have in this bag here. And yeah, they actually have that website right here on the bag. It says shopmissa.com. So let me start first with this ring. Now this I got in two. So I got this gold color one with the pearl, and I also got this silver one with the pearl. So that way if I want to wear silver, whenever I wear silver colors, then I can wear this. So that's the silver one. And then I got these were from 2 trips, so these are kind of just the receipts for that. Then I got this what is this bracelet, and wait, oh yeah, it goes like that, with the it's like this tiny stones with a what is that called, a pearl hanging. So it is, I got so much of pearl stuff, so I was like, okay, I can match with that. And this is, does it look gold or, yeah, this also kind of looks a little bit like rose gold color, and this matches exactly with this ring I'm wearing actually. So it's really pretty. Let me try it on. Just gonna open it, and it is elastic like this. So it is good, because otherwise they are not going to fit my hand. My my wrists are very small, so when I see bangles there, I love them, but they are not going to fit my hand. They are very big. So this I thought was like cute with a pearl on it. Next, I'm going to keep it on like that. Next one is, oh, this is so pretty. I actually love hoops. I feel like hoops look like, you know, better on my face. So these hoops are so cool because they are colorful. They have all color stones on here. So it's very, very colorful. So see that, like they have all the colors, so pretty. Maybe I should open it and show, because I don't know what you're able to see. Okay, let me show them like together like that. That way you will be able to see better. So pretty, right? It has like all colors, so you can wear it with any kind of plain like solid dress. If you wear any kind of this, you know, maroon, black, blue kind of dresses, you can wear with a solid dress. It'll look very nice, a plain color dress, or even with a white dress. So beautiful. I loved it. Now the same thing, actually they had these kind of circle rings. So it's the same stones, actually same kind of stones. So I liked this one too. It's so pretty. Try to see if I have to show it a little more closer. Yeah, there. So see that? It looks so beautiful, right? All color stones are on it. So it looks really pretty. So that's the same as those hoops. The next I have a set of rings actually. Like I said, really short haul, because I had got some things that I sent to my niece back in India, because my parents were here. They just left due to some emergency. They left early, so I actually had got some stuff for my niece that I shopped there. So with that I did my shopping too. So now next one I'm going to show is, this is so pretty. Oh my god, if this was real diamond, so pretty, right? So they usually come like that, right? Sometimes they are like 2 or 3 in one, which is pretty cool. So this one is so pretty. I'm trying to figure out how to show it, because most of the time when I do this and I watch the video, I see that it's not even focused properly. Hope it's focusing. Okay, so that's one set, and pretty cute. And on this it says 17 size. But actually mine is 16. 16 fits me fine, but I can never find 15 or 16 there. So usually, like, you know, 17. Always I end up getting 17. But that's fine, because mostly I put it on this finger most of the time, so it's fine. So that is one set. Then I got this set, which is the same as what I'm wearing, actually the same as like what I'm wearing here, but this is more like a gold color and then a silver color. So they have 3 in it. They have 3 of them, and 2 are kind of like that gold, and then 1 is silver. But when you look at them, they're so pretty. I don't know how long they will last, but it's really pretty. But I think I have got some of the rings from there, which are fine, because I don't really wear it like all the time, right? If I wear it for a party with matching with a dress, then when I come back I take it off. So that's why they don't like get water in there or wet or anything, because if you do that, then, you know, they might tarnish like really fast. So I take care like that. So I just wear it for that few hours, and then when I come back I remove them. So you know, so it's fine. So that's the one, another set. And then this set, which is so pretty, because I love this band. The band is thick on this, so it has 2 rings like that, and the band, you can see, is very thick, and both together They kind of have 3 stones on it and then tiny stones and silver color. So pretty. So really pretty. Look at that. Hold on. Really pretty. Right? So pretty. I mean, I'm going to take this off so you can only see that. So that's the one. So pretty. Next, last one is again another like silver color, but so pretty. This also is in 2 sets of 2, and so you'll be seeing all of these in my videos. So that is so pretty. And then that's it, I'm done actually. But let me just wear the other ones also and show you guys how they look. Okay, let me wear these 3. Then let me wear which one? This big diamond one. So really pretty. I love them. Next, that's it, I'm done guys. So it was really a quick haul. It still went over 10 minutes I guess, but it was really a quick haul for you guys. And I wanted to share what I'm wearing today because my previous video that I uploaded was on the Gucci lipstick that I had got from TJ Maxx. So that I just want to share that with you guys. So this was that lipstick that I had got for $24.99 from TJ Maxx, and that's what I'm wearing today. And I'm wearing it with a NARS lip liner, and this is the only NARS lip liner I have. So this one is in pink. That's what I've lined my lips with, this color lip liner, which is Port Grimaud. I think that is the name, I'm not sure, but it's really good. So I lined it with this lip liner, and then I used this lipstick which I had shared before already, but it was kind of, I just shared only the kind of just the lipstick. I didn't do a whole video on it. I just wanted to do the unboxing for you guys. And this is the lipstick that I'm wearing right now, and it is Heartbreaker. Yeah, you can't see it even if I try to focus, but anyway, so that is the lipstick that I'm wearing right now on my lips with the NARS lip liner. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm actually recording few more videos today, so you will be able to watch more videos. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye, and see you in my next video. And please do not forget to subscribe. And I also have giveaway coming soon. I've reached I think 750 subscribers now, and please help me reach the 1000. I have a really good giveaway coming up, which you've already seen the stuff that I've been adding to my giveaway. I think there were 2 items that I'd added, and I have another nice big item that I'm adding to that. So please subscribe to my channel, then you will be part of it, so you can win something. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye, love you all.